Hello everyone. So this is war on waste. So single-use plastic needs to go. We need to have plastic that we can reuse. So let's see what's in this box now. So it was this has got my address. So returns Didi, oh like no problem. So let's open it up like this for you. Alright then. I will get the camera this way. So what's in this now? You got let's unthrash the planet together, Zeroco. They've given returns as well and also some information here. So let's see what's in each of them. So this one says it's for hand wash. And this says it is dishwashing liquid. What's this one? This is a multi-purpose spray, like disinfectant spray to clean the gas stove cooker, and this is the body wash. Okay, so we have some more in this box. Let's have a look. So what's there in this one? So this is all 2-liter laundry liquid. Okay, then I have stain remover. This is laundry. Then I have Zeroco, again laundry liquid, 2-liter. Alright. Then next one, what else? Oh wow! So I got a stain remover, spray. Oh okay, I'm going to move it a bit so that you know what all I have. So this is all laundry. This is body wash. This is another one, detergent. So this one is the stain remover. Then I have the bottle for body wash. Then I have the big laundry liquid jar. I have the dishwashing liquid here. I have the multi-purpose cleaner liquid here, and I have the hand wash here. So that's the thing. So this is all done. Now as the instructions for this, how to use it is given in here. So what we need to do is we unpack this. So inside this box of do goodies, you'll find dispensers made from plastic waste pulled from the ocean. So this is made from plastic waste pulled from the ocean, and also refill pouches. These are refill pouches. So this there's an envelope. So I'll need to put it in this and send it to them, and they will refill it for me. So what we do is then we can reorder it on zeroco.com.au. So this one is the Zeroco. All this plastic is made from waste from ocean. They are recycled, and this is a refill bag. I send it to them. I pour all of it into this and I send it back to them, and that is how I reorder. 15 reorders are included in the order which I paid for. I paid around $99 plus postage of $10. That's hardly anything. Money is hardly anything. The thing is, you're part of controlling the climate change. You're part of doing something which is innovative. You're part of helping the community. You're part of helping the chain of innovation, which is refilling, sending it to the vendor, the manufacturer of Zeroco, and getting it refilled. So traditionally all my life I've been using what is there in the supermarket or in any other form of thing, but this one I felt that was actually giving me more satisfaction personally. That is the reason I've taken this. I just thought I'll shoot a video. It's not that I'm paid for this. It's not a paid promotion. It is just out of interest in this particular subject of environment, and also helping the climate, and also reducing single-use plastic, because I have previously shown many videos where I use Tupperware. Tupperware again is not a single-use plastic, it's a multi-use plastic. The quality of that is very, very good. but then we are having a war on plastic. But there are, for many reasons, some of us can't use glass or any other metal for our day-to-day purposes, and we do have to use plastic. So why not take the option of using plastic which is recycled, which is recyclable, which is helping the environment. So that is the reason I just made this quick video. The link I'll give it in the description. Please do check it out. Okay, thank you very much for watching my vlogs, Lakshmi's home vlogs. I'm shooting this from Melbourne, Australia, and I hope this particular product is available in your area. If it's not available now, in a few years it may be available. So thanks for watching my show. Thank you.